Here's how to create multiple Etsy draft listings at once using a CSV file. First, download the CSV template. This is like a special table where you can fill in your product details. After downloading, open the file. You'll see spaces where you can type things like your title, SKU, tags, and image URL. I made a test listing just to show how it works. You can add a title and up to 13 tags to help people find your item. You can also add up to 10 images. But if you're using another Etsy listing as a template, that template might already have an image in it. So you might only be able to add 9 new ones. To add an image, just paste the image link into the file, then save the file. You can use a shared link from Google Drive or an URL that can be accessed publicly. Next, choose a template listing you created earlier. If you're not sure how to make a template, don't worry. There's a help button with a video that shows you how. So let's choose a template from the drop-down. Now, click Add Job. That's it. Crafty Smile will start uploading your listings. It usually takes about 10 seconds to 1 minute per listing, depending on how many files that needs uploading. When it's done, click Show Job List to see how it's going. You'll see how many listings were uploaded and if they were successful. If everything worked, your new listings will be live on your Etsy shop, with all the photos, tags, SKUs, and other details set up just the way you wanted.